let's get this thing installed, Spence. No. Down here. This one goes in here, like this. There you go. Can you make it quick? Okay, next up, we have to do something else now. What's next, Spence? Yeah, what do we do next? We gotta put this thing? Are you sure? This is it? Yeah, we gotta put this one. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, go turn. 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 It's very, you gotta be really strong. Turn. Yeah, like that. We can bring this up like this. Whoa. Click, click.
Yeah. Hi, Dada.
Hi, Spen. I see you there. Easel, didn't we? Okay, click. Yeah. Push it over there. Yeah. What's up, guys? Today is day 1642 of us living the van lifestyle. We're a family of 3, soon to be 4, traveling through the US, and we're currently in New York. This is a day in our lives. We just got done installing the new IKEA easel that we bought yesterday, and we also have a blind that we need to install. But we don't have any chalk here for Spencer to draw on, nor do we have any markers, and we're missing some screws because that kit for the blinds don't come with any screws, so we gotta head out for a little bit and pick some stuff up. And then we're also gonna head over to Trader Joe's, pick up some ready-made frozen food. I think that's what Rena wants to eat, so let's go out for a little bit. Let's hang out. Yeah?
More. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go out for a little bit, Spence.
Bye-bye.
Let's go. Not bye-bye, this is just the beginning of the video. All right, let's go out for a little bit. Trader Joe?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's head over to Trader Joe's. We're gonna pick up the pork belly. We had this last time. This was really good. Put them in a oven. Rena loves the frozen section here. The ready-made foods here. I mean, they are pretty good. They have a lot of selection, like all different kinds of cuisines.
Right.
Cone. Popsicle.
Ice
Are you
cream
licking?
cone. It's ice cream cone. It's over there.
That's a good move.
You're so funny.
Are you picking out your own ice cream?
I'm taking this one.
We still have it, right? I don't think we're gonna get. I don't think we can get ice cream. Are we going back home right after?
No, not.
Yeah.
我哋喺屋企食住第二個先
Get it next time. Let's get the croissant. We're gonna try this. This is really good. Almond croissant. Let's get one of each. Almond was really good too. Yeah, you can take that. But the chocolate is really good too. Yeah, you gotta proof it overnight. Rena loves their Thai shrimp gyoza. And she's gonna try the okonomiyaki. Butter almond fins are really good too. Spencer really likes them.
Doing. Yeah.
I think they have some tasting. You want to try this? Ooh, you want one of these? What, strawberry and vanilla yogurt pretzel. Let's try. Let's try. Ube flavor pretzels. Yeah. I'm gonna get a pack of the Korean style beef short ribs as well. It's $15 for 20 ounce. These are really good. We tried it before. As always, the Indian food here is really good. So we're gonna get the palak paneer, which is the spinach with cheese, and then Rena's gonna get the butter chicken with balsamic rice. And it's gonna go really good with the garlic naan bread here. Is it yummy? Go. Are you driving, Spence? Okay, put on a seatbelt. Seatbelt. 咁樣着大 seatbelt.
哦，綁住你啦。
That's seatbelt, right? Next, we're making a stop over to Target to pick up a few things to install the the blinds and get some crayons and chalk. Not crayons, chalk and markers.
Two.
Some chalk. Which kind do you want? Get the big one? Like these really big ones? Okay. So it looks like you can't use regular markers on a dry erase board. I just checked it with ChatGPT. They say that it stains the board and it's very hard to wash off, or it doesn't draw on well either. You have to get the specific dry erase type markers. I think Crayola makes it, but I don't think they have it here, so we'll have to find online. They do make these dry erase, looks like crayons that works on both the dry erase boards as well as like chalkboard. I mean, we can get these Expo markers, but they are not going to be easy to wash off if it's colored on anywhere other than the whiteboard. Thanks for helping, Spence. Dinosaur. Oh, there's a pink ball there. Yeah. Throw the ball. This is one of the messiest Target's toy section we've ever seen. So messy here. We want to get a new foam ball pit for Spencer. Put it in the room. We're leaving Target now. Spencer's about to take his nap. We're gonna head back home. We just dropped off my mom back at the house, put all the frozen stuff back in the freezer, and we're gonna head out for a little bit. Today we are craving a little fried chicken, and there's a spot that we really enjoy called Jollibee's. It's a Philippines fried chicken joint. It's really good. It's in Edison, New Jersey. It's maybe like a 20-25 minute drive from where we are. Spencer is still napping, so let's make the drive, pick up some chicken, and we'll eat it back at home later. Here we are, Jollibee's. Let me go pick up our food. Obviously, I can't go through the drive-thru because of height restriction. So I did it through the app. Let's go pick it up.
Heavy.
Heavy. All right, let's go inside. You want to see what's upstairs? They come by, get it. Ooh, you see this? Ooh, you want to jump in? Oh, you're more interested in the easel? Oh, that's right. Yes. Yes. Red. How do you do a circle? Circle. Circle, right. You wanna jump in? Yay! This is nice, isn't it? You like this one? Wow! I like this one too. This is like very soft. You got some foam sides here. Go downstairs and eat. Mama's already eating. Mama's really hungry. Let's go eat. Ooh, you smell the food?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells good, doesn't it? Why are you wearing Mama's slippers? We're gonna eat. Do you see what Dada got? Wow, we got some chicken here. This is some really nice crispy chicken. So the chicken uses like a gravy, which is also included. You can kind of dip it into the gravy. Really delicious. And then we also got this one right here. This is called palabok. It's like a noodle here with some eggs, and I think it's like a pork on top. Really good sauce. We already ate some already. Whoop. And yeah, we can try some of that. And then we also got, what else we got? Ooh, this is a dessert pie. We'll show you later. We don't want Spencer eating that. No, no, no. We'll eat that later. Let's have some of the chicken first. And Mama made some soup, oxtail soup. Yeah, we're gonna eat, okay? Yeah, we're gonna eat. Let's eat. Ooh, this is the soup here. You want some of the soup? It's hot, 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 hot. Okay, we're gonna have some, okay? You wanna try this? This is Mama's oxtail soup.
Soup.
It's soup, yeah. Yama, right? That sound like you drank it, but you didn't drink anything. Is it good? Yeah. How about you get a... Would you like a drum? This is a nice drum. Yeah. You want to try it? Hold this? Yeah, it's a chicken, isn't it? Let's open up one of the gravy here.
No.
They give like 5 pieces of thighs, 1 piece of drum, which is okay. Jollibee fried chicken. Let's dip it in the sauce here. The gravy sauce here. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this chicken is my favorite spot out of all the fast food chicken spots. Between KFC, Popeyes, Jollibee's is definitely my favorite. They got the savory gravy sauce here. It's just really flavorful. This is so good. How much that? Okay.
Good.
Crunchy, right? The skin, very crispy. I'm actually surprised it's still so crispy after, I would say probably about an hour since we bought it from Edison. It was like a 25-minute drive back, and then we hung out upstairs for like half an hour. Real good. And we have, what is this, Spencer? This is ube pie. Alright, look at that. Tishu. Can you split with Mama? 你咬啖先啦咁。Try.
你食啊？留俾佢食啊？
好唔好食啊？
原來主食嚟嘅。
係啊。好唔好食啊？
好食啊！
哦，thank you。慢慢切啦，不如好嘛
？Okay.
仲
Okay, you get the bottom.
哇，係㗎。
Oh,
慢慢食下你呢家
that's a really nice dessert. 係咯。好好食啊呢個。
好食啊！係啊，啊幾得
脆啊
意喎，係啊，咁脆啊！誒
Cheers. Try the palabok noodle. Mix it up a little bit. Really nice noodle here. Really savory. It's got some pieces of pork.
我多數我米粉。
And does it have a bite of the ube pie? I want to try. Can I try? We make a bit of a mess.
有食脆。我脆。變晒出嚟。你食隻手。
The filling just exploded.
佢俾隻手你睇啊！
Let me see. You still want a bite? That is a really good ube pie. It doesn't have too strong of an ube flavor. There's a little bit, a hint of it, and it's pretty sweet too. The filling. Jollibee is so good. If you guys ever see a Jollibee around you, they're not in every city. Some cities, I know Florida, like Tampa, they have a few. St. Pete's, they have one actually. If you guys see one, definitely give it a try. They're not everywhere, but I like it better than, like I said, KFC and Popeyes. Really, really delicious. And they have a lot of variety of food too, like the side dishes, like the palabok here, the noodle. They have a spaghetti. They have like a hamburger. They have chicken sandwiches. It's all the stuff is good. Give it a try. We just got done with dinner and I'm just enjoying some of my mom's soup. Spencer's having some pineapple, and I'm gonna keep the video shorter today. And tomorrow we're gonna be heading into Manhattan, Chinatown. Rena has a doctor's appointment or an OB appointment at the hospital, and yeah, we'll be hanging around like Chinatown probably. If you guys want to watch our time here in New York, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that I can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. How's the pineapple? Is it sweet? Yeah. Can you say thank you for watching? Thank you. We'll see you again soon. Bye bye.